All right, YouTubers, I'm excited to bring you a new product. Most of you guys know by now that just recently I picked up a newer Toyota RAV4. And the biggest complaint that I have about the RAV4 is the factory radio screen. Even though the radio screen is the same exact size as this, the outer dimensions, the screen of the factory radio is not even half this. It's very small. It doesn't show much detail for like, it has the Apple CarPlay, but the Android Auto, I'm just very disappointed in it. But it does have a backup camera, and I understand that's why they made a little tiny screen there just to have the backup camera. But what I'm excited to show you this is the Android upgrade entertainment system. So it will do Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you can watch apps, you can do your navigation, and even if you wanted to watch movies or music videos, you could do that as well. I don't recommend doing it while you're driving a vehicle, but obviously if you're parked, that's fine. This is a much needed upgrade to the newer Toyota RAV4s. And I'm excited to bring you this one. The company here, MEIAUTO, was nice enough to send us this product to test out. I love these upgraded screens like this. My other vehicles, I've already done this as well. I'm sure you've already seen those videos. But anyways, back to this one. I'm going to give you a quick unboxing. I just opened the box. It's packaged nicely. A lot of little foam in there. Obviously no damage in the shipping. Has a little screen protector. I think it's just for the shipping. We'll remove that when we do the install. Real simple. Has a warranty coverage card here. It actually comes with a 2-year warranty. That's very nice. Nowadays, not many things come with a warranty at all, to be honest. So it does come with a little warranty card. Looks like just some basic instructions showing which plug on the back of the screen goes where. This should be a very, very easy install for anybody to be able to do, because this radio is the exact same size as your original radio. And I love that, because I don't want somebody walking by when I'm at the grocery store, look in the window and see some crazy aftermarket radio and say, oh, I'm going to break in and steal that radio. When you walk past this, it's going to look exactly factory as can be. No one's going to know the difference until you turn it on and you're using it yourself. So here, there's a microphone, a reset button, the power button, a home button, back, volume up and down. The rest of it is all going to be touchscreen, which will be really nice. Right now, you flip it around, and here you can see kind of like, the guts or the back of it. Here's all the plugs. Includes all the wiring harnesses. They're already wired together for you. There's no cutting, no splicing, no nothing like that. It's just going to be a plug-and-play setup. The good news is our cars already come with factory backup cameras. So it just plugs in. There's no extra wiring to add a backup camera or anything like that. And it looks here, it even comes with these little plastic pry tools. We're going to be using that to pop off the cover that goes around your original radio. That cover still snaps back on the back of this radio. I mean, I don't really need to open this bag. You can see this is going to be the exact harness that's going to plug into the radio and into your factory wiring harness. Inside this bag here, these are the plastic tools that are just going to pop the covers off for you. Same thing here. This looks like if you want to add up an extra amplifier, which I don't think we need to. I think the factory radio sounds pretty decent, especially with the more power coming from this. It's actually going to sound even better. We'll go through all the wiring harnesses as we do the install. Let's see. If you don't want to use Android Auto or Apple CarPlay and just want to use use a GPS app on this, that would be your GPS antenna. You can just screws in the back right there. Here's an additional microphone. I don't think we're going to need that because the car already comes with hands-free Bluetooth. So that's going to plug into your existing microphone. And so it'll still work the same way. So I don't think we're going to need that. I'm not sure what this is. Is this the X antenna? Not sure. I'll have to look into that and let you know. So far, first impression, I'm impressed. It's very well put together. I mean, here it's showing, like, if you want to add, it comes with extra USBs if you want to wire these up so you can plug in like a little flash drive. A lot of times people like to put music videos or even movies on little flash drives. You can plug those in to watch that. Or you can even charge your phones off of these. That looks like the same thing, just another USB. But I'm excited, guys. Like I said, my other vehicles, I have these installed as well. And it just takes a outdated, radio entertainment system to the whole next level. So if you're looking for something like this, I'll share the link below in the description. Another thing is, because I have purchased a couple of these in the past, you do want to go with the larger amount of memory and the large amount of RAM and ROM. The speed's much smoother, like perfect, that kind of thing. So we'll get this installed and we'll go from there. So I show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.